This Mercedes-Benz ML550 4MATIC is a 2009 model. It is black on black leather interior. This vehicle has all the comfort features you would expect from Mercedes-Benz, including rear-view backup camera, Parktronic, Harman Kardon Logic 7 surround sound with Dolby Digital 5.1 and navigation. A clean Carfax history will accompany your purchase of this one-owner new car trade-in. This ML550 has passed the 162-point inspection process required by Mercedes-Benz in order to be offered to you for sale. As a Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned vehicle, call our sales team for more details. Kempthorne Motors has priced this unit below the suggested not a retail selling price, making this an excellent value purchase. Call or text Mike 330-353-3736 for details. Carfax Vehicle History Report.